From timber to tune, let me walk you through how a guitar is born. First up, wood. I start with two personalities of tone. Spruce for a bright, responsive top, mahogany for warmth in the back and sides, rosewood for warmth in the back and sides. Moisture is everything. So the boards get kiln-dried and acclimated in the shop so they don't warp later. For the soundboard, the top, I book-match two thin spruce plates like opening a butterfly. I joint the edges, glue them, and clamp. Then I thickness sand to a sweet spot. Thin enough to sing, thick enough to survive your strumming. Inside the top, the magic is bracing. I cut spruce braces, shape them into gentle arches, and glue them in an X pattern. Think of it like a skeleton stiff across the grain, lively along it, back and sides next. I resaw the sides, thin them, then bend them over a heated form until they take on that classic curve. It smells like a campfire in a forest cabin. 1010 would recommend. The sides get glued to a body mold with kerfing strips, those little notched rails that boost gluing surface. The back gets braces too, lighter, a little arched, so the whole body becomes a tiny concert hall. Then it's glue up time, sides, top, back, clamped all around. Suddenly, you have a hollow box that already wants to resonate. Now the neck. I carve it from mahogany, install a truss rod down the center, that's the adjustable spine, then add a fingerboard, usually ebony or rosewood. Frets get pressed in, trimmed, and crowned so your notes ring clean. Neck meets body with a precisely fitted dovetail joint or a bolt-on joint. Alignment here is everything.